We have covered logging expenses, tracking 1099s, and categorizing your bank feed. But how do you know for absolute certain that your QuickBooks numbers are 100% accurate? You do it through a process called reconciliation. It is basically the ultimate monthly checkup where you compare QuickBooks against your actual bank statement to make sure no transactions are missing or duplicated. Let me show you how to do it. Before you even click anything in QuickBooks, you need your official bank statement for the month you are trying to close out. You can use a paper copy or a PDF from your online banking, but you absolutely need two pieces of information from it: the final ending balance and the exact statement ending date. Once you have your PDF statement ready, jump into QuickBooks. Head up to the top right corner and click the gear icon. Look under the Tools column and select Reconcile. If this is your first time, you might see Get Started screen. Once you pass that, you will land on the main setup page. First, use the drop-down at the top to select the specific bank or credit card account you are reconciling. Now, check out this brand new feature right below it. QuickBooks now uses AI to help you reconcile almost 3 times faster. All you have to do is drag and drop your PDF bank statement right into the Upload from this device box. The AI will read the document, automatically extract your exact ending balance and ending date, and even flag errors for you. If you don't have a digital file, you can still bypass this and just type your balance and date in manually. When you are done, hit Start Reconciling. If you have been keeping up with your bank feed and using the bank rules we set up in the last video, you are going to love this part. QuickBooks will have already checked off almost all of these transactions for you automatically because they cleared the bank feed. If your difference doesn't say 0 yet, just go down your physical statement line by line, and make sure the little circle on the far right is checked for every single matching transaction. If something is on your screen but not on your bank statement, uncheck it. Keep checking and unchecking until that difference hits exactly $0. Once it does, head up to the top right and click the green Finish Now button. Congratulations! Your books for that month are officially locked, balanced, and perfectly accurate. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that Joined button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.